Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I've got one of those deal of the day videos. This is definitely a clearance piece. It's the 2022 Big Country 3851 MO, and due to help from some manufacturer rebates, we are actually selling this below cost. So this is going to be $83,903, pretty darn incredible deal. If you guys are in the market, my contact information is down in the description, along with the specifications, things like length, weight, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, all that good stuff. But as always, if you guys like RV content, like what I'm doing, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Typically, I do longer tours than what I'm going to do today. Today, I'm going to try to keep it around 10 minutes. But normally on the newer stuff, the stuff that lasts, for about a year of people shopping, I like to do about 15 to 20, sometimes 30, depending on the size. But again, it's the 2022 Big Country 3851 MO. That MO is going to stand for mid-office. What I like about Big Country is it's extremely well built, and I think it looks beautiful. They have not gone on the train of going, all light. It is still a little lighter, but it still has those brown tones, a more classic look. You're going to have a slide over here, with your refrigerator, oven, entertainment. And then right over here, you got kind of your seating slide. So you got your dinette, your theater seating. It's going to be power theater seating as well. It's got massage, it's got heat, a whole lot of good stuff. But one thing I love about the Big Country is they have big features. So you're going to see all tinted windows, frameless. They all open up for a nice cross breeze, but check out the slide that they're sitting in that allows those, big old windows. I'm 6 feet tall, and that head height is pretty darn incredible. So if you are a very tall human, typically campers just aren't made for you. This is one that will definitely accommodate. We had a customer that was 6'7" the other day that came in, and I'll tell you, it's probably a struggle, if you're around that height. So this is something that would be pretty suitable for someone like that. But again, power theater seating. You also get a charging station right here. Flip it around on the back. You have the 3-piece sofa, which means it's going to be a full queen size pull out, probably come right back into there. And with the opposing slides, classic rear living setup, but you get a little bit more space to kind of walk around on those lazy days, those rainy days. Storage overhead. You got yourself a fan. Windows out the back even for a nice view. These back ones right there, or that back one right there, does open up for a breeze. The side ones do not. It is an emergency exit window, so pull, push, and pop. On both left and right of the sofa, you're going to notice you get a little countertop space. And then you get USB ports and outlets. Directly across from the theater seating, this is the beginning of that entertainment and cooking slide. So you get your 40-inch Furrion fireplace, puts out 5,100 BTUs of heat, so pretty incredible heat there. A lot of fifth wheels have those, but on a camper that's about 40, or on a day that's about 40 to 45 degrees, it'll heat the entirety of this room absolutely no problem. You're also going to see it's coming with the 50-inch TV, storage overhead, and the Connex sound system. So not only do these things get bumping, but they got DVD, aux, USB, zones A, B, and C. That's going to be inside, outside, and both sides. This Big Country is also going to be featuring the industry's largest oven, the Insignia. So you're going to get your 4 stovetop burners. Get whipping up all the fixings, have a real good dinner. Solid surface countertops all throughout. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. But check out the size of that oven. That's pretty sweet. If it was around Thanksgiving time, you could cook a turkey in there, no problemo. Outlet. Big old microwave. Don't need to show you that, but that's also going to be Insignia. So really nice, well-respected RV brand. Even on this side, extremely high, tall slides. That gives you all that extra storage. Right over here, got yourself your island, again with the solid surface countertops. You also have storage underneath, another outlet. Then you have your farm-style black stainless steel bowl that looks really sharp. You also got the high-rise faucet above the island. You got that little lighting fixture there. I'm not sure what to say about that. I don't even know what it's called, but it does look nice. To match up with all the other appliances in this RV, you get the Insignia refrigerator. So this is going to be more of a residential style refrigerator. You have a full-size freezer, full-size everything really. It's nicer than the one that's in my house. That's pretty snazzy. This is going to be your mid-office. So you get kind of some wardrobe storage over here, an additional slide with this couch, and it does pull out again to make even additional sleeping, and it has a loft above. So you can use this as a couples coach for a working office, or if you got a whole bunch of kids like myself, you got 4 of these, little guys running around, you can kind of house them in here no problem. But also while they're out kind of doing their thing, you got a desk, maybe to do schoolwork, or a lot of people are working on the road. So I do love that. And it's got all the appropriate plugins. 2 outlets, 2 USBs, another outlet, and a place for, your cable. And it's got a backer where you can put a TV. You also got another window that does open up. And also, I forgot to show you, they all got the nightshades so you can block out the sun, get your Dracula on. Emergency exit again, so pull, push, and pop, and you're out. All your controls for this, for all the slides, are going to be, behind here. You got your thermostat, fantastic vent, fuse box, and sorry, I know I'm running around quick, but it's what you got to do on these kind of blowout ones. Once this thing's sold, it is gone. If you've made it this far, if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, I'd appreciate it. Big old window. You got the loft. And then you got 2 more USBs and 2 outlets. I think. Must have. Alright, sorry about that. I am back. I tried turning off the fan, but I guess it's stuck on. We're doing a little maintenance. It actually has a little sticker on there that is saying, basically noisy. So we'll take care of that. Obviously, that's going to be a warranty claim. Absolutely no problem. But so you got a bathroom right here. You got the old porcelain foot flush throne. You have a sink, which is also going to be the solid surface. And you have that angled sink right there that comes in, kind of splash proof. Access to your plumbing and storage underneath. Another outlet, storage all up and above. What's going on? And then you also have, your shower, which also has the Tri-Glide glass series, so it opens up a little bit wider, as you'll see. And then you have some more storage over here, just next to the shower. Alright, this is going to be your bedroom, so you're going to have your king bed with storage up underneath. Another thing that I enjoy is the fact that they've got a window on both sides, and then counters on both sides with outlets and USB ports. So that is really nice. So not only can you get a good cross breeze, but you got a place to maybe put like a CPAP machine or books or, just your cell phone in general at night. Thermostat up against a wall. You got your dresser right over here. You also have a wireless charging port, a TV, and then another big old window, hopefully for a good view, or if you need it as an emergency exit so you can pull, push, and pop. Space for a fully stackable washer and dryer. If not, it's just going to be some really good, kind of hanging closet for sure. But that's going to be, your hot and cold water access along with the appropriate plugins. This is going to be the other closet. You got an outlet down there, a little cubby maybe for some shoes, a little shelf, and then a hanging rod. But yeah, pretty darn snazzy. So again, it's the 2022 Big Country 3851 MO, and it's coming in at $83,903. So if you guys are in the market, definitely give me a call. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Now I'll take you around the outside, kind of show you where everything is. And then I think I'm going to make probably a video on a 2023 model here. Pick out whichever one I got. So propane right behind here. You're also going to see, you just saw back through there, but you have your 6-point hydraulic auto leveling. The frameless windows, again, the specifications will be down in the description of this video. A big old awning with LED lights running underneath it. Really nice pass-through storage. And then you also have outlet and a cable hookup. More storage. Outlets right here. You even got a place where you can put, a dog leash with that little paw. Solid entry steps. We did go ahead and add on the, geez, a piece that sun is bright. We did add on the awning topper. So, basically, if you're underneath the tree and like tree branches fall or anything like that, it'll land right on that piece of awning. And as you close it, it'll roll itself off. Spare tire, place for your stinky slinky. And you can see it's all covered up. You have forced heat into the underbelly. So this is definitely going to be more of a full-time application of Four Seasons camper, all that good stuff. Receiver out the back with a ladder so you can get on top of this fully walkable roof. Check your seals, check your slides, all that good stuff. Prepped up for a rear observation camera, so you can put that on. It's $550. Furrion S Vision comes with a 4.5-inch screen. That's a suction cup onto your windshield, so that way you can see what's going on behind you with distance markers. So it just makes towing just a little bit easier, a little bit more convenient. 50 amp plug in there. A little more storage. Low point drains, give that little blue nozzle hanging down. And then underneath this slide, you can see you got your sewer connection right there. And we'll see. I'm not a flat belly, I'm a round belly fella, so I'm going to squeeze on by here. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. That's what 3 days of dieting gets you. Back end of the hot water heater. This is going to be your docking station with your water filter system. All the plugins at the top for your cable and satellite. You know, dry camping, the inlet, city water connection, all the valves for that. You know, even your hot water bypass valve, you know, in a black tank flush, which if you're not familiar with that, it's essentially a sprinkler system there for your poop tank. Back end of the pass-through storage. Another place for a propane bottle. Show you the manufacturer sticker here. Then you got a whole bunch of storage right up on front. But guys, I know it was a quick one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you'd like to discuss this unit, you know how to get a hold of me. But my name was Hunter. This was the 2022 Big Country 3851 MO. Have a great night. See ya.